Hello everyone, and welcome once again to this your channel. This is the second part of our amigurumis Migli Biglis. If you haven't seen the previous videos yet, in the description of this video you can find the links. We already made the both body, and with this tutorial we will make the rest of the details for H1. We will start embroider the nose and hair. Pay close attention. I will use a wool needle with a finer thread, 1 mm black color yarn, and you can see how I do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, between rounds 11 and 10, the first pins, and between 12 and 13, the second pins. The second with 2 points of separation, and the first ones with 1 point of separation. So now you can see how I do it, this embroidery. Now we will make the bow for hair using red colored yarn, and we will make a magic rain. Leave just a little long yarn in the beginning, so a magic rain, and then 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. Now to double crochet, 1 double crochet, and the second 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, and 1 slip stitch in the magic rain. And we will repeat the same one more time. 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, and 1 slip stitch in the magic rain. And that's it. Now you can cut the yarn, leaving a long yarn to make the center, and pay close attention, and you can see how I do it this and join with the head. This is the result with a bow, and now we will make a little heart. We will use black colored yarn, 1mm yarn, but for show you I will use this yarn. Is 1mm the same, but is pink. For this yarn I will use 1.25mm hook. We will start with a magic rain and then 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. Now 1 double crochet, everything in the magic rain, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 chain, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and 1 slip stitch in the magic rain. And that's it. You can cut the yarn and also you can close the magic rain. And this is the result. Remember, we will make this using black colored yarn. I'm already made that and put a wool needle for join now with the body. You can insert the wool needle in the center, and you can see now how I join this on the body. When you finished with Migli, we can start with the details for Bigli. And we will start making the embroidered eyes is in the same place, and you can see how I embroidered the eyes. And now we will make the tie using red colored yarn. We will start with a slip knot and then 10 chains. When we already have 10 chains, we will start in the second chain making one slip stitch, and we will take only the back loop. All time only the back loop. So one slip stitch, in the next chain one single crochet, one half double crochet, one double crochet, one half double crochet, one slip stitch, one single crochet, one half double crochet, and one double crochet. And now you can cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn for put now on the body. Pay close attention and you can see how I do this. And then we already finished Migli Bigli. I hope and you really like this tutorial because I'm really enjoying with them. Also, we already have the tutorial for make this heart, but in the next tutorial I will show you how to make some heart better than this one. But you can use this one. Also, the free pattern, the right free pattern are on our website GretaWings.com. In the description of this video you can find the link. I hope and you like it, and leave me your like and your comment. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. And if you haven't yet subscribed on this channel, I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this video to the end. Until next tutorial, bye bye.